Listen, I have not left. I am here, sitting with all of your doubts, and I don't know what to feed them. They have gotten small since they got here. Perhaps they can't find themselves in my presence. I think it's a good thing. I've heard your conversations with them. In you, they have planted the belief that you are not enough and you grew with it. That you have not collected enough debris to help make you perfect. Listen. Seize your eye from sinking into the mirror. You will not find me there. My beauty does not exist in the world of tangible mirrors. Those have a lazy tendency of not showing you beauty. Your beauty, my beauty. Perhaps allow my infinite love to reintroduce you to the garden that you are, rich in the magic that fashions stars. You, the answer to your great-grandmother's prayer, you are gold, a loud secret, a silent treasure. Creatures find their true essence in your colorful aura. Your halo spirals in raw diamonds. You are the impossible taste of ice cream to yearning taste buds. You are life and eternity. You give life eternally. How dare you forget? Thank you.